Alright you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transform your curls from this to this. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Daejha aka Day, and I am back with another video y'all. And today's video is just going to be of me showing y'all how I get defined curls and how I define my curls using my OG products. These are the products that I use every time, and I know these products are going to get my hair right. So I just wanted to do this video for y'all. This is a highly requested video, y'all. Make it look like this to get it defined like this. I always top my hair off with a gel, y'all. Let's get into the video. First step, you guys, is to make sure that your hair is wet. I go ahead and section my hair into two. I'm just going to section this off. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that this section is completely wet.
You okay?
Huh?
You okay? Stand up! Wait! Stand up! Give me a float!
I can hear.
I know y'all are like, what the heck, like this is a lot of water. But I'm telling y'all, you need your hair to be wet for these products. I go in with a leave-in conditioner. My favorite leave-in conditioner is the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner by Mielle. And I don't have a lot left, y'all. That's how you know I use this every day, like, or all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put in that leave-in conditioner throughout this whole thing. I'm not gonna section my hair into little small pieces or nothing, because this is what I do for a wash and go. So you just wanna like smooth this into your hair. You don't wanna rake through it like that, none of that. Deep condition your hair in the shower and comb it out in the shower, or brush it out, whatever you like to do. So I just like to smooth it. Smooth. Praying hands, y'all, praying hands. I always go in with a curling cream. And if I run out of this one, I use the Cantu curling cream. I'll put a picture right here because I ran out of it. So, but anyway, see, y'all can see that this is running really low as well. So I'm not lying to y'all, I use these products. You really want your curls to be popping. First a leave-in conditioner, a curling cream, and then for the third one, I'm gonna go in with my Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator. Curl Activator, you guys. People would say, oh, this is not natural, whatever, but it gets your curls popping. People are tripping. Since I am layering a lot of products, I do not want to go in with too much, but I want to go in with enough. And some people, you might think your products are not working for your hair. Then again, use the products that work for you. African Pride is a great hair product for like 4A, 4B, 4C hair, borderline 3, African Pride. So, and it's not overly expensive either. It could be a problem that you're not using enough products. That could be a problem. My hair is thick and it's low porosity, so I know my hair is going to soak up all of the product that I put in it. So I want to make sure that I'm putting enough product in my hair to make sure that it gets the nutrients and everything that I need. Look at this, and then look at this. Okay? So anyway, people sleep on this gel. This is my favorite gel. This is the only gel that I use. And this is the gel right here that I use. Extreme Wet Line Gel is what I call it. I'm going to section my hair off into a smaller piece. Take it and you want to Rub it in your hand to even it out for your hair. Make sure you get your root. From root to the end of your hair. And just make sure you separate it as you go. So you're getting that defined curl. When you put it in the gel, you have to make sure that your hair is sectioned off. Because if not, you're only getting the gel on the top of your hair instead of in between your hair through your actual strands. And notice, another thing that I like about this gel is that I've layered so many different products, right? Y'all seen it. Do y'all see any of my hair being white? No, y'all don't see any of my hair being white. So then I just, boom, you see how defined that is? Alright y'all, so I finished this side right here. I'm going to separate some of these to get individual defined curls. Yeah, it's looking more individualized. Big words, y'all, big words. I am a college student. I am a college student. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, but y'all, just look at the difference. You see, this is real dry, it's not that much product. And then boom, this. This is beautiful too, y'all, don't get me wrong. This is beautiful too. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back. Y'all probably like, Daejha, what in the world is going on right here? What happened to your head? If you want a story time on that, let me know, because I'll do a story time on that. It's up to y'all, it's up to y'all. So now that I'm to the front of my head, I'll go ahead and I'll wet my hair on the roots, right? And I take some more of that gel, not too much. I just go in and swoop my hair back like that. I want to make sure it's flat enough for whenever I lay my edges. So I want this to be flat, so I can lay my edges real quick. Let's see how they look. Edge booster, and this is the scent blueberry. And y'all see I'm almost gone, y'all. It's almost gone. Barely anything in here. I'm literally putting this gel, y'all, on top of where I just put that regular gel. This is a pomade. So I'm going ahead and I'm putting that pomade on top of where I put that actual gel. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges off camera. I like to go in and just scrunch up my hair and just get the excess product out to make air drying a little bit easier. Alright y'all, so I just lay my edges. I just got done doing that. Boom. And the front, all I do is just like swoop it like that. And then I just put a part right there. But anyway y'all, so this is the final look. I do not go in with a diffuser right off. Sometimes I do, it just depends. But when I want definition like this, I let my hair air dry like this using a gel. So, boom. Y'all, thank y'all for stopping by this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Share it with a friend, save a life. Y'all, and I just want to thank y'all for continuing to support me. And yeah, so Let me know if y'all have any questions or something that I didn't cover. Let me know if y'all have any questions down in the comment or inbox me on social media or whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be it for today. Get into it.